Hello everybody, I'm here with Oldies, but goodies, Gen X Toons ATC cards. And here we go, Gen X Toons. Hashtag it, and you will come up with mine and Sabrina's. This week is May 29th, Transformers! And I went with Bumblebee. And I used one in the background, and I blinked him out because I think he's just cool. And got Bumblebee and some of my background going, and I dotted it a little bit. Let's see. There we go. So, Transformers. I can't believe you could tell Transformers to me is a boy cartoon because I did not realize they were even out in my generation. Glue there. Just noticed that. See? Things you notice when you... Boom. Done. Gone. There we go. Better, don't it? Alright. So, there we go. This is May 29th. Can't believe we'll be coming into June already. Thanks for watching, everybody. Oh, look at God, more glue right there. Oh, well. Thanks for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.